So I've been trying to figure out how exactly I'm gonna be making this video. I filmed 2 videos that were ready to be uploaded and deleted them because I just didn't want that kind of tension on my channel. So I've come up with this video and I think this will be a pretty good one. It'll say my point while also making it a little bit more entertaining. But before we get into that, what's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. For those of you guys that might be new, my name is Lewis and thank you for joining in. If you guys are not subscribed already, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. So as a lot of you guys know, I ordered some Duraflex side skirts for the G35 and Shane and I were modding them and we actually got one of them to fit pretty close. But I hate fiberglass. I think I made that pretty clear in that video. And I decided I'm gonna send them off to a guy in Ontario, and he's gonna do all the work for me because he said he can get it to fit perfectly, and that was anything but the case. Like, it was far from perfect. So I'm gonna play a quick little clip of everything that was wrong with the side skirts along with another damaged part that he went ahead and did. So let me go ahead and play that for you right now. All right, guys, so here is the car. I'm gonna go ahead and show you pretty much everything the shop went ahead and did. But before we jump into it, pretty much what I already had started doing, as you guys saw in one of my videos where I was trimming and then it was almost fitting, it just needed a little bit more trimming. That, for the most part, is exactly what the shop did. So coming into here, first off, you can see they screwed, like they drilled one hole, nope, that doesn't work, drilled another hole, nope, that doesn't work, drilled another one, okay, that works. The hardware they used alone looks like they just like kind of roamed around the shop and found whatever worked. I do have a crack already right here. It goes from right here all the way down. I don't know if you guys can see that or if the camera picks it up or not, but I'm not really happy about that. Thankfully, it's just a hairline, so I can easily fix that. This looks like, I don't know what they even did. It looks like they literally trimmed it and that was it. They could have easily added more fiberglass and then filled it in, but let me go ahead and show you. Check this out. Like, look at this. Like, they didn't, I don't know what they were doing. So this one is pretty bad, but it's not the worst one. Coming to the other side, again, up front, not too bad, but it needs to be filled in again, and it's pretty tucked in as well. I would like it a little bit more out. Right here, it's already cracked too, and then I haven't really inspected much of anything else other than this right here. First off, this is already broke. There's nothing holding that in at all. And then look at this gap, okay? This one's worse than the other side, big time. So I need to go ahead and pull this out, get this tucked in, and again, add fiberglass and get it made properly. So I already have ideas of things I'm gonna do to fix this. So you guys will be seeing that in the next upcoming videos. You also have, which I think is very, very unprofessional and extremely rude in my opinion, is if you guys are gonna do work on somebody's car, take pride in it. And this shop definitely didn't. Not only that, but they left my car a wreck, super dirty. Look at this. I mean, I don't know how well that's picking up. And then they left Bondo right here on my seat. Left Bondo. You have handprints, like, really? And then there's Bondo dust everywhere. So what'd you guys do? Roll the windows down, sand, let everything in, and then, I don't get it. Not only that, that's not it, guys. This one, I'm not happy about. I'm not happy about any of it because, to be honest, in my garage, I could have done a much better job, and you guys know that. Check this out. Seriously? Now it doesn't want to do it? There it is. Look at that. But when you turn the AC on, it goes away. And then you turn it off. So as you guys saw, the side skirts were nowhere near fitting. I couldn't air the car out because they were too tall. I do that because, just stay tuned. And now I have a damaged dash. Something inside the dash is broken. Still have to get that figured out. But anyway, so where are we now? So let me go ahead and show you pretty much what we went ahead and sort of did since then, and I've done this in a very short amount of time. So I held the side skirts up to the car, aired the car out, tried fitting them where they need to fit, and this is what I've come up with. So I went ahead and added these wooden blocks right here and right here that are secured to the car. I'm still gonna probably layer some fiberglass resin just to protect them a bit more. But this is what the side skirt will actually bolt to. So it screws in here and then another one here. I'm gonna come up with a nicer way rather than just using some screws in the side skirt. But for now, that's what we have. The fronts are actually pretty spot on. I had to do a little bit of shaving on the side skirt. But pretty much what I did was I held it onto the side skirt, screwed it in place, aired out, and then it had a little bit of a gap still. And pretty much from there, what I went ahead and did was added some cardboard along the whole backing, put some fiberglass, and then put some Bondo hair. And this is what I have now. This one still is pretty raw. It needs to be sanded, straightened, and everything. Most likely adding a bunch more, but we need to hold it up to there and see if it matches with the body line. But the other one, the other side, we have that one fitting pretty close, and I'm happy about it. It needs a little bit more filling, but let me go ahead and show you what it is I'm gonna do to achieve that. So as you can see, I sanded a bit in the front. It needs to go up a little bit more and then screwed in. And then right here, oh, we are very zoomed in. And as you can see, right now you're seeing some gaps because it's not, you know, in place, or nothing's screwed in place at all. But we'll have a screw right here, and then we'll have this screwed in. So what I'm gonna do right now is, as you can see, the body gapping now is pretty freaking close. Needs a little bit more Bondo hair right in here. But for the most part, what I did was, instead of having it come straight up, I kind of added this little angle to it. And I think it kind of gives it a pretty cool little look. You guys can let me know what you think down below. So I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna remove this side skirt pretty much just like this. I'm gonna throw some blue tape all along right here. I'm gonna screw this in, and then I'm gonna take some Bondo hair and kind of spread it on. That way it forms the actual shape of the body, and I get that butt cheek tight fitment, and I think it's gonna look good. And then in here, since they didn't really fix that for me, this was the side that Shade and I did. This will screw into place, and then I'm gonna probably end up creating a nice little cap right here, but that'll probably be one of the last things, just so we can get rid of that gaping ass hole. And then in the front on this side, like I said, I had to shave some down. It was cracked, and that was cracked when I picked it up from the shop, but this will fit up a little bit more like that. So we're looking really good. Made a lot of big progress. I don't understand why the shop couldn't do this. It's a little irritating, and I spent $250, but it is what it is, and check it out, guys. The G35 is coming together. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished this one up. This one's gonna need probably just a little bit more Bondo hair, but pretty much what I did was I taped off the body line on the side skirt of where I didn't want excess Bondo to go, and then pretty much laid the bead. As you can see now, we're gonna have no gaps, and then from there we'll probably lay down one more coat. We'll probably sand this down on the car, and then we'll throw down a little bit of Bondo, and then pretty much bodywork it. But for the most part, now we have a pretty good looking side skirt. This is the best that they have looked. And this is what I mean, guys, like, it sucks. I wish people would take pride in their work. I'm not saying I'm the greatest worker out there by any means, but when I build a car, I take pride. And I take pride in what I do, just like at my job. You know, I'm a valet driver, okay? It's not the most serious job. This is what I always tell all the new guys coming in. At the end of the day, we park cars for lazy people. Pretty much, we're parking cars for people that don't want to park the car themselves. But if you're gonna do it, take some pride in it. And you know, when I take my side skirts to the shop and I'm paying them $250 that I work hard for, I'm expecting them to make it perfect like they said they're gonna make it perfect. And when they give me something back that's not perfect, it sucks. I just wish people would take a little bit of pride in what it is that they do. But anyways, guys, enough of that rant. This one's looking amazing, guys. I'm so happy. Really, really happy. Once that's dry, we'll sand it, put a little bit more, sand it, and then we could probably take it off the car at that point, and then Bondo it. And then for the most part, it's good. This crack needs to be fixed right on that corner. So right now, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and I'm gonna sand. This one I think is gonna be a lot quicker because it looks already really good. But pretty much what I do is I'm just gonna sand all of this down until it's pretty much flat. We'll put it on the car, see what needs to be done, and then we'll pretty much repeat the same thing on this side as that we did on the other side. So stay tuned, guys. It's looking really good. This car has definitely seen better days, but it's starting to come back together. Listen to my dog. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? What's wrong? Huh? Where are they? Go get them. Go get them. What's wrong? He hates when people play with his bone. Get it. Get it, boy. Oh, stingy, are we? Went ahead and threw on a cleaner shirt. Super dusty. I hate bodywork, guys. I know I do it so much, but to be honest, I really do hate it. But let's just stand back and appreciate how well the side skirts look now. Like, mwah. They look so good. And what I'm thinking about doing is pulling this one out as well. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep it. But let's just stand back and appreciate how good that looks. It looks so nice. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I did just now pull the trigger on a new rear end. You guys try to guess what it is. You know, could be a whole new bumper. It could be a diffuser. I don't know. But I just ordered it. And I am happy. I need to go deposit some money so I can order the front lip kit as well. That way everything comes in together. There it is, boys. She looks nice. It looks so good. I cannot wait for this car to be complete again. The front lip kit that I'm getting, it's similar to this one. Just a little bit different for the most part. But I would keep this one and just repair it. It only has a couple small little cracks in it, but I just want it. Since I'm already, you know, have new side skirts and new rear ends, might as well just order a new front end. And then the front will be painted soon as well. I think when everything's ready to be painted is when I'll probably paint it. But jeez, I'm honestly proud to say that this is like mine. It looks so good. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Alright, so now pretty much what I'm going to do, since this is done, and now as you can see the body gapping is nice, I think I'm going to pull it off the car now, and then what I got to do now again is just re-trim pretty much where the body line will go, the new body line will go, and then we'll sand this, and then probably maybe one more coat of Bondo hair, but most likely this seems to be nice. So what we can do now is peel, and this will come off too, so. But I tried to put that there just to clean it up, see? So now, rather than having all this Bondo down here, it's just a nice clean edge. Like that. Since I didn't show you guys on that side, let's go ahead and remove this side. Oh, look at that. That one came off so easy. There you go. Take this off. The other side peeled off some paint because same issue I had on the front bumper. It's on the whole car, guys. The previous owner, I know this car was hit and they quickly just painted it, and due to that I have some clear coat peeling off places. Like, look at that, all that, that's all clear coat chipping. It's not really showing, but anyways, and now look at this, we have this nice edge. And what I will also do, guys, before I officially finish it, is I'll sand this down, get it nice and clean, and then I'm gonna throw a sheet of fiberglass right there, just to reinforce it a little bit more. But it looks good. Pretty much like that, but of course, you know, it's gonna be sanded into the body line. So just a little bit of sanding. We'll do that by hand so we get it perfect, and then it's done. Alright guys, so we got the side skirts completely removed, set over there. We'll be working on that another time. So before I move into the interior, I want to go ahead and get it cleaned out a bit, pick up my trash, and clean the interior with some McGuire's interior detailer. Alright guys, got everything cleaned, and this is the first cleaning I've done in the car in a long time. Really the only bad thing about this car is this seat, and then that piece right there. It's like warped, not warped, but it's lifting up, so I need to fix that. I think that's common though with these cars. But anyways, this is what I went ahead and ordered. This custom dash, and then I know if this does fit, I'm gonna end up probably removing it again and wrapping it something custom, but it does come with these Velcro strips as well. I've already held it up before and it looks like it is a little off, but let's see if we can get this to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this in there and see if hopefully we can have a new dash cover. Well, unfortunately, this is not gonna work. It sucks because I think this would have been pretty nice to have, but it's just so far off, guys. If you look, you know, if you match the clock up how it should be, and then look at this gap you have here, and then if you match this with this, it's like it only shows that much of the clock, and then this side is pretty flush, but that right there also does not fit. So it looks almost as if they messed up here. This whole section right here, they should have shifted it, and it probably would have worked, because that I wouldn't have minded too much, but well, it was worth a shot. Hopefully I can get my money back. Otherwise, does anybody want this? I'll do a giveaway. Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off, but make sure to comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of the side skirts? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like how it's turning out so far? In my opinion, I think they look so good, and once the rest of the car is actually done and put back together how it should, I think it's going to look honestly amazing. It's going to look so aggressive. And stay tuned guys, because there's a lot more to come. Like I said, we just ordered the rear piece. I'm going to be ordering a front lip kit. And I'm going to give a little spoiler, but we are ordering wheels as well within the next couple of weeks. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I don't want to give too much away, but we are going to be ordering some new wheels. So leave your feedback down below, guys. I want to become more involved with you guys. You guys are my family. I really want to grow this channel. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, and as we grow more from there, I really want to become more involved with you guys. I want you guys to have my back. I have your back. You guys give me ideas of things you want to see on the car. All of the feedback really helps me grow my channel. It helps me, you know, do what... It helps me to, like, how do you put it into words? It helps me to basically make the channel better, and that's really what I want to do. I want to make the channel more entertaining, more involved, and just overall better, and so we can continue to grow from there. Anyways guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope to catch you all in the next one, and until next time, as always, peace out.